So today it's so cold. It's so cold. I live in Africa, not the North Pole, Africa. We don't have electricity, we don't have running water, and today apparently we don't have the sun. We do have a lot of people that have pet tigers though. It's weird, but it's true. The crime's so bad that, a pit bull ain't gonna cut it. And it's true because someone's pet tiger often escapes their house and goes through the streets. And then the private security companies have to go and chase this thing. Me personally, I don't have a tiger, okay? I just got fish, fish. No, not like piranhas or anything. It's like, yeah, dude, your tiger ain't gonna do anything against the crime, man. I got piranhas. No, I just got normal, fish. So anyways, today we are going to be doing content generated by AI inside your WordPress website. And like I said in the title of this video, it is going to be for free. There's no catch, there's no nothing. The content writing plugin is going to be for free, and so is the AI that we are going to use. And it's not any like suboptimal AI. It is like the proper AIs, okay? We can't exactly use ChatGPT or anything like that for free, but I'm going to show you a list of options of AI that you can choose from. And all this is going to be inside WordPress. And in the next video, we're actually going to build up on this. So the next video, we're going to be doing an AI chatbot for your business for free inside WordPress. So let me show you very quickly how to get that going. So the first thing we're going to need is an API key. It's not technical at all. I'm going to show you exactly how to get it. We just need to copy that key so we can access LLMs, okay? So we can access these AIs. So here in OpenRouter, we can go and register for free and use a lot of the models for free. So there's going to be a link in the description of this video to take you to this site, okay? So here, all you have to do is register. Once you've registered, then we can go and select our models. Very easy to get these API keys. So here you can see, here's this models. We're going to click on that. And you can see there's a whole bunch of models here. Now, a lot of them are going to be paid for, but they do have free ones as well, and they are pretty good. So on the left-hand side here, you can see we can filter for the type of model we are looking for. Now this pricing over here, I'm just going to put it right down to free. And now you can see all the free ones that we have access to. And you'll be surprised at a lot of these that you can actually play with. Now we don't need the top of the range models. The higher the model, the slower the output's going to be because you're going to be put into a queue. So something like a 30 billion parameter or like 18 billion will get the job done pretty good. Because remember, we're only making content with it. It doesn't have to be like an AI chatbot or anything else like that. So the lower ones are going to do the job very well. So right now at the time of recording this video, the DeepSeek models, the R1s, are pretty wicked. So I'm just going to go and filter out for these because here's the full model, but it's too big, right? So obviously it's going to be too slow. So I'm just going to look for all the DeepSeeks because this one over here, it's an 8 billion. It's a bit on the small side. So now I've just put in that DeepSeek. Now we can actually go through. So as I scroll down, I'm looking for something like a 30B or 70B. That 70B there is okay. Here's a 32B. So this one is perfect, right? So this one, I'm going to go and click into it. And then I am going to go and scroll down this page. I'm going to ignore all this. And there's going to be a button over here that says create API key. Okay, so this is near the bottom of the page. Now, all you have to do is say create API key, and it's going to give us a key to create. So it's going to do a little pop-up. Over here, you can see that I already had one over here for testing, which was on the full. That's how I know that the full ones just take a little bit longer to actually give you the output. But you should have a little window that has the API key. Let me just go and create a new one quickly. If I go create API key over here, I'm just going to say website content. And you have the option to do like just how many credits that you actually want to do. I'm just going to leave blank. And here's that same window that you would have seen just clicking on getting that API key. Now do copy this number and store it because once you close this window, you can't get back to that API key, okay? It's a security thing. So take this, copy it down, save it somewhere in your computer because we're going to be needing it later, okay? So all you have to do is click on this clipboard and then just save it in a text document or wherever you want to save it. And that is the most technical that this video is going to get, is just getting that key. So it's not technical really. Now, heading over to the back end of your WordPress website. If we go to the plugins and say add new, we are going to go search for a plugin. The plugin we're looking for is AI Power. So searching for the plugins, you're going to see AI Power, and I think it's going to be like the third one or the fourth one. It's this one right here, the AI Power Complete AI Pack. Why this one? Because it gives you the most options in free mode. There is an upgraded mode. I haven't tested a pro mode, but there's a lot that you can do with the free one, and I'm not sponsored by them in any way. This is something I found, and I think that it'll be helpful for you. So all you have to do is say install now, and once it's installed, just click activate. Okay, so you've installed and activated that plugin. So here on the left-hand menu, you can see there's that AI Power. So if we click onto that, you can see a whole bunch of options here that you can choose from. Now, this engine over here, we are not going to be using OpenAI. We're not going to be using Google or Microsoft because those are paid APIs. We are sticking with free. So we look for that open router. We say select. And over here, you can go and paste that API key right over there. So just do that over here. Now that the API key has been put in, this model list is blank. But because we have the API key, we just have to say refresh. And now you can see that there's all the models over there. So what we're looking for, again, is going to be that DeepSeek. The one that I want is this DeepSeek, the DeepSeek 32B. It's a very good mix. Now just remember to look out for all the ones that say free, okay? So all the free ones, as you scroll down, you'll see there's a whole bunch of free. Use those. The other ones you are going to have to pay for. I mean, the hardware to run these big models is insane, right? That stuff's stupid expensive, so they have to charge. So just look out for the free ones. Now, this 32B, it's very powerful already, and it's going to get the job done wonderfully. This is also the same model that we can use for chatbots and stuff, because 32 and higher is better. Anything lower than that for like a chatbot, then you are going to run the risk of it just getting too creative or just give out like hallucinations, things like that. So a 32 is a very good balance. It's already a pretty big model. I mean, if you try to run these things locally, you're going to need some serious hardware already. But yeah, that's the one we're going for, the 32. And that's as technical and as much of the setup that we need to do. Pretty quick, right? So if we go to content writer, here all you have to do is give an idea for a title. Now there's a whole bunch of other type of things that you can play with. So you can actually do a whole bunch of titles and it'll write content for all of that. But you are going to have to sit in a queue for that. So one-off things, it's great, it's pretty quick, right? It takes like maybe 30 seconds or less. So for this blog title, I'm going to go best WooCommerce settings to sell products effectively. And that AI is going to go and make a whole big article for me right here in the website. And it's already going to be drafted and everything. Now, before we click generate, here you can select your languages, the type of style. So if you want an informal blog style, let's go with blog style. And then the tone, I can say maybe friendly, because you don't want like a scientific paper sort of thing when you're talking in a blog. And the opposite is true as well. So, and you can go say like the headings, you want to have 3 H1 headings, maybe make it actually H2s because H1s is generally just your main title. 3 is great. The SEO, you can do meta description as well. The bold keywords is in Pro, so that's this section over here is Pro, but you don't really need it. The image, you can generate an image, but Dolly and stuff like that isn't exactly for free. You can try the pixels and the Pixel Bay one. It's going to be the same process of just getting an API key. I haven't had the best luck in making those type of images. So right now for free, I'd still just go with Unsplash or something like that to go get an image, which takes like 3 seconds anyways. And there's really good images there. Any additional stuff that you want to have, you can select as well, table of contents. It does everything for you, right? But this stuff I'm going to leave as is. And the prompt, you can also customize the prompt here if you want. But this one over here is pretty cool. So I'm just going to leave it as is. So languages and everything's all sorted. Now I'm just going to click generate. They can see this little pop-up. It's going to go look for the different headings that's going to go and create for this topic that you want. And then it's going to write out all that content for you. Okay, so now your article is completely done. All you have to do is say save draft. So now that we've done save draft, it takes you right to the draft of that actual blog post. There is your whole article ready to go. So now all you have to do is go and set a featured image. You can just go get something from Unsplash, like I said before. If you want to add more images, very quick to do. You can also just put in an image anywhere else that you want. But look at this type of content over here. This is just a quick little text. and it's done inside WordPress. So the last thing you just have to do is say publish, and you're done, really. How easy is that? And you can just keep going, and you can just make more and more articles. So if you got a whole bunch of ideas, you can just spit them out inside WordPress. So remember to stick around in the next video, because that one I'm going to show you how to do an AI chatbot for free. Now that's a bit more involved, but it's for free. So I hope you like this video. Please smash that like and subscribe. It helps my channel a lot, especially these days with the algorithm changing. All us small creators have actually taken quite a knock in views and stuff. So it would be great if you do put that like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.